Welcome to the new next-generation version of the OpenTargets platform. It has a fresh new look, brand new features, and streamlined processes. The codebase underlying the platform has been entirely rewritten with leading-edge technologies including Scala, Spark, GraphQL, and React. This allows for rapid development and deployment strategies. The underlying algorithms also provide flexible, on-the-fly calculations of association scores and, as such, unblock more user-driven queries. As part of this project-wide rewrite, and in collaboration with European PubMed Central, we have created a new literature mining strategy using natural language processing. Our new pipeline uses a deep learning method for named entity recognition and reports sentence-level matches of drugs, targets, or diseases. We then account for all synonyms or alternative names, and the resulting occurrences are presented in the bibliography widget, in addition to the literature mining evidence based on target disease co-occurrence. The user interface has been both redesigned and completely re-implemented in order to maximize the impact of casual findings. As you can see in the evidence page, each data source has its own section for easy navigation, and users can rapidly find specific data sources, or scroll down to get an overview of the information available. We've also made literature sources easier to navigate. Clicking a reference number in one of the widgets will bring up our new Publications drawer, which displays the full reference and the abstract for the selected publication, and indicates whether the full text is available. The release of this next-generation platform coincides with our latest data release, and so includes the most up-to-date data from our providers, as well as a significant increase in target disease evidence. This work has enabled us to completely overhaul our evidence data model. Our new data schema is flatter and more streamlined, allowing for much more efficient analysis of the evidence across different data sources. The new evidence model also makes it easier to incorporate your own data into a private instance of the platform. An exciting new addition to our data is evidence of binary molecular interactions. Our pipeline integrates different pairwise interactions, physical, regulatory, or functional, between the selected target and all other human or pathogenic proteins and RNA molecules. We display interaction data from 4 sources: reactome, intact, senior, and string. These sources differ in how they represent interactions and so are displayed separately. Users can explore the underlying evidence for each interaction with our new GraphQL API, including references to the original publications and the interaction detection method. The data is also available to download. Another addition is the inclusion of Blackbox warnings and drug withdrawals, thanks to the work of our colleagues at Kemble. A Blackbox warning is the FDA's most severe warning for drugs on the market, indicating serious side effects such as injury or death. We also display the toxicity classes that have been assigned to such drugs, for example cardiotoxicity, shown here in the example of oxycodone. Finally, we have created a community forum to host discussions and foster collaborations among users. It will feature the latest updates from the platform and provide technical support. Join the OpenTargets community now at community.opentargets.org and let us know what you think of the new platform.